Hello, Miss Wolfram here. Hannah wanted to know something about problem 28 of the section 2.5 homework. And so I'm going to take a look at a version of that. It shows up in my account. I recommend that when you look at these problems that involve an interactive figure, that you jot down the information from the page, because you may not be able to look at both pages at the same time. I think that's a fault in my math lab. Click and drag the labeled coordinate point to -5, 2, and use the M slider to set a slope m equals 7. Use the interactive figure to find your answer. Use the left and right arrow keys to move along a slider as needed. We'll click to launch the interactive figure. And this is going to be a line which goes through the point that we're given and has the slope that we were given if we set it up correctly. The point that we were given, and I did jot it down, was -5, 2. So I put my finger or controller cursor on the blue point and move it to -5, 2. And then here is the slider. This dot will slide, and I want to make it 7, which is a pretty steep slope for a paper and pencil line. Now, the question is about which of 4 points belongs to this line. It does not have to be a point that is 1 unit over and 7 units up, although that point does belong to this line. But any point that has a distance from between the y values and a distance between the x values that will give us a rise over run fraction that is equal to 7 over 1 also belongs to this line. There are infinitely many points on the line. So what we are going to do is not anything more interactive, but just look. Does the point -4, 6 fall on this line? Well, I move to -4 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That looks like a miss, doesn't it? -4, 6 does not appear to belong to this line. How about -4, 5, which is the next choice? -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not on the line either. -6, -5. -6 and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks like bingo. Looks like it hits it right there. -6, -5 seems to be right on the line. And how about the last choice, 5, -4? That's obviously not even close. Okay, so our choice C, -6, -5, is what we want, and we will X out of or back out of this interactive figure and go fill in choice C. And I'm checking check answer down here, and it says not correct. Oh, they're not in the same order as they were when I jotted them down. -6, -5 is what we decided on. Okay. It caught me. It put them in a different order. Let me know if you have any questions.